BRZE stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Braze. It is 38 bucks and 5% down. Most of the tickers here are red, so this seems like an outlier. Totally fair. You can see like what my boss looked like was totally exactly this. So it came down, and then the next day gapped up, open at 43 bucks, and then came down yet again. Obviously, I did not trade this because it was a gap up. So guess what? This this approach that I have here, still totally fair and totally valid as long as the price gives me the rules. Let me zoom out. Yeah, this is where we are. So I'll still be waiting here. It's not done. It's not over until it's over. Then the plane is not crashing, so we're good. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce. I think that I've also had previous BRZE receipts. Nah, let's go.